It certainly is a big bun.
It's a very big bun.
Big, fluffy bun.
It's a very big, fluffy bun.
Where's the beef?
Some hamburger places give you a lot less beef on a lot of bun.
Where's the beef?
At Wendy's, we serve a ham modestly called a single. And Wendy's single has more beef than the Whopper or Big Mac. At Wendy's, you get more beef and less bun.
Hey, where's the beef? I don't think there's anybody back there.
You want something better. You're Wendy's kind of people.
This is CBS.
Hello and good afternoon. I'm your host, Helen of Troy. Thank you for joining us. We're only a few minutes away from the first heat in today's race at the GMC Motorhome International Spring Rally here in North Carolina. There's a great deal of excitement in the room as contestants prepare their GMC motorhomes for the race of a lifetime.
Are we ready? Should we count it down? Are we ready for the first run?
Who's up next?
So we got Thomas Jetzer, Patricia Shank, Joe Kaya, Bill Helmore, Mark Trent, and Larry Widener in this first race. We're going to count it down together. You guys ready? 3, 2, 1. Go. Come on, Sonia Knoll, Terry Knoll, Mike Sadlin, Eric Tanner, Nancy D'Amelia, Nancy Donahue, Three, 2, 1.
We have a winner.
3, 2, 1, go!
The contestants are getting their GMC motorhomes ready for the next heat.
Three, 2, 1, go! Number 28 is Dennis Carter. Karaoke star of last night, Dennis Carter. 3, 2, 1, go!
They're neck and neck.
Number 38, which be Sandy Weeby. Let's run this race. We're going to do 3 at a time. Okay. Semi-final. 3, 2, 1, hit it. Number 8. It's Terry Knoll. Conceded. 8. Ding, 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 ding. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. 22, which is Cole. 23. No, I'm sorry, Chris Brock. There it is. So 3, 2, 1, go. Thomas with the most weight on his coach. All right, Thomas, he advances. Do we have more? Three, go. Number 1.
And that's it for the Spring 2025 GMC Motorhome Hot Wheels race.
You won.
Thank you for joining us. Be sure to tune in again in September for the GMC Motorhomes International Hot Wheels Racing Competition, where skill and a little bit of luck is all it takes to be first across the finish line.